Perfect. So, how about this filter?
This filter is the secondary filter.
Uh-huh.
So this machine has a double filter, and you can better to.
Yeah, okay. And I can see we have some numbers here, right?
This is the calculator. This is used to calculate the machine usage time. Then you know, see here, it shows 52, which means the machine used the 2 hours.
Okay, so it's basically the time of usage, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. The customer might be wondering what are these two, no? So basically these are the carbon tanks which are filled with carbon powder and a molecular sieve each. And you might not see it clearly here, but they have a pretty interesting ancient Egyptian design for the customer needs.
Yeah, it also can protect to
Okay. Okay, so it also fulfills a yeah. Okay.
The machine sleep again.
Uh-huh. Okay. So we're done introducing this.
So, Arnold, would you tell our audience what promotion is going to have for this model, for this machine?
Of course. So buy one piece of any model of this machine and we will give you one piece of disinfectation sprayer or, as we said before, one piece of the ozone generator.
Wow.
And, as we said, if you buy 15 pieces of any model of this machine, we could give you one of these pieces for free.
That's a big promotion and just variant of the only. So
Yes.
don't miss it.
Okay, and if you're interested, you're welcome to chat with our colleagues.
Yes. Okay, just leave message to our service people. We are going to do some other.
Yes, now we're going for our third products, the oil guns and the pumps.
Okay.
Let's play a video.
All right.
Introducing to our superior preset digital meter oil control valve. The nozzle was made by one-piece aluminium with special process. Our team has created an anti-leaking decompression system on the nozzle. With clicking top of nozzle, the oil and pressure will release to a normal level. In that case, the oil will drop and the nozzle will be clean. Our nozzle has an omnidirectional pole and rotating connection system, which means it is easy to use under any situation. The nozzle has a high sensitive stepping motor. With this motor, the nozzle is able to inject the oil precisely under your request. We also design a series air-operated oil pump and grease pump. They have different sizes for choice, and those pump are able to cover all kinds of different oil tank.
So, what do you think about the video? Here, I'm gonna show you now our all control gun families. And allow me to show you the first of them. This would be the oil control gun, right? The second one we're gonna show you is the digital meter oil control gun.
Yes.
And our superstar product, the preset digital meter oil control gun. So basically they have the same function, inject and dispense oil.
Now, tell me the difference between these three guns.
Of course, could you pass me the oil control gun? Yeah. Yeah. So this is basically our oil control gun, and it goes without a digital meter LCD screen. As you can see, there's no screen here or preset function, and you can basically use it for all dispensing control system and for all filling quantity using the computer system.
Okay, so it cannot count the number. It has to use together with other machine with the computer system.
Exactly. So this would be basically the most simple model that we have, right? And then
Yeah.
no, where
Second one.
the second one, no, we are going from the simple one to the most sophisticated ones. This would be our digital meter all control gun, which has indeed a LCD meter screen, but it does not have a preset function. So basically you can inject the oil quantity by looking at the digital display that we have here.
Just press the start. Yeah, you can see the number at here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see. And
This one.
as we said, our most sophisticated product, the preset digital meter all control gun, which has both a digital meter LCD screen and a preset function. So the valve basically
Welcome back,
will work
everyone,
automatically.
and
once
let us introduce you
and
our
stop
last
once
product
the
of
injecting
today.
process is completed.
No, Johnny?
Okay.
So,
I'm clear now.
We have this
So
machine
have the
here,
physical
and
model
we'll let Johnny
without
explain
the
us
screen, and
for
without
which part
the
of the
preset
car
function.
are we going to use this machine.
Yep.
And then we
Let's
have
take the let's see the
medium-class
video
model
first about
with
this
the screen,
machine.
but
And
without
later we will
preset
introduce you
function.
more detailedly.
And that
yes.
one is the high-class one.
Which
Yeah.
both has the screen and the preset
Yes, I know.
function. Yes, so also for our all control guns, we have more specifications to tell you. So first
Let's
of all,
see our new developed
this all
ATF
control
machine
gun has a flow rate from 1
GD608. The inspiration for
25
its
liters per
design was
minute.
from woman's lipstick. This machine involves
second
the newest
specification
technology.
is
It has
it
cancelled
a
electronic
precision
scale
of
to reduce the
plus
external.
0.3%, which is actually higher than the industrial
Okay.
standard. at
Well,
plus
excuse
minus
me, we had
0.5%.
Well,
a little
so
bit
it's
of problem
higher
with the
than
video,
the
so
industry standard.
we will let Johnny
Oh,
do the introduction
Third,
for us.
It functions
So,
with a maximum
Johnny,
pressure
explain us.
at 70
What do we
bar
use this
and a
machine
minimum
for?
pressure at
They
3 bar.
use it for changing the
Okay.
coolant of the engine.
And the fourth
As you can
specification of
see,
this
it
product
has
is that
same
it
design
basically
as
comes
the
with
last
an
item.
inlet connection
We
of
introduced
industry standard oil hose reel.
GD608.
I mean the lipstick design
Fifth,
one, no, that we just
It does have a
introduced.
flexible
Yes.
hose, rigid
And
top.
So
Here. This one is
my
the
main concern,
flexible
well,
hose.
my main question is
No,
why
you
do we
can
need to
choose
change
between
the
a
coolant
flexible hose
from
reel
the engine?
or
First of
choose
all,
the rigid one, no? Out of your choice, yeah?
Okay.
cool the engine
So,
pumps. We
After
want to
introducing
ensure the
for
normal
the
operation
freelance, which
of the
model
engine.
you are going
We
to
must
introduce
avoid
to
the
us?
temperature
Which model?
to
Are you
exceed
asking me which
the
one is
limit
the
of
most
the
popular one?
engine
Yeah,
itself.
yeah.
Yeah, of course. If I had
It
to
could be very
to
dangerous.
recommend one, of course, I will
understand.
introduce
So
our
Yeah.
most sophisticated
Let's explain
products
us-
with the
explain
preset
us a little
digital on
bit
the screen.
the details of this machine.
I know something about
Sure.
this gun. Yeah.
Let
Give
me
us
show
some
you
specifications about it.
Okay, let me show you.
first.
Yeah. See here.
You can see the
Here has
intelligent
anti-leaking
control
button.
program.
After
These panels,
Inject the oil.
which
just
is
press the
developing
button.
by our
It's still
company,
anti-leaking.
and it is very
It's
easy to
our
operate
Okay,
with
okay.
only few
And
buttons.
the other function is here, this part.
With different modes
See here,
for
it
selection,
can
it's very
rotating
convenient for our operation.
360 degrees.
The dwarf
Okay.
transparent
Much more convenient.
pen design
You
is
can
the same
adjust
as
the
our
angle.
GD608.
Yes.
The external
basically-
tank is for the new coolant,
Rotating, no
and the
function.
internal tank is
have
for
an
the old
anti-leaking
coolant.
Anti-leaking function.
Yeah.
Remember that we need to make sure
You know I'm gonna get.
Let me interrupt you again. So before we were explaining this, no, we have two tanks. I don't know if you can see it here, but we have an outer tank and we have an inner tank. So the outer tank.
Okay, everyone. Now I would like to
The
introduce
new
you
oil
a
would
great
go on the
wheel
outer tank,
alignment.
and
You know
inside
that the wheel
there would be
alignment
the
is
old
very
oil,
important
right?
for any
Not exactly
repair
the
shops
oil,
because
fluid.
it can ensure a great
Okay, I
driving
understand.
experience.
And
It
you
can
mean
provide you with the optimal
by combining
drivability.
both
Besides
oils,
that, with the
temperature
alignment
would
of
be
the
the
wheels,
right one
it can
once
also
it is inserted
ensure a
into the
longer
engine.
tire
Okay,
life
I
as
understand.
well. So today,
Here
I
we
would like
have
to
the
introduce
drop
you
pump
with our
for the
PL-3D-5555U.
to
This is
ensure
also
the
one of the
purity
star products
coolant during
of
the
our
exchanging.
company. Because we know
Also,
that this
the
product
machine-
has a very high
The
precision.
machine can
Before,
work with
the
DC
customers, they will not believe that this
battery.
precision can be so high and so
Use
good. But after they
any
try
working
these
place.
products and compare to the products from the USA or Italy, and they find out that
Yeah, go ahead,
the
go ahead, finish,
balance
please.
groups
Let's see
alignment
the
it
behind
is
of
really
this
great.
machine.
Now I would like to move
One
to
more
this
thing
wheel
I want to
alignment
introduce
and let
to
our
all you
engineer, Mr. Fan,
our
to operate on
standard
this machine.
mantles,
And then
adapters
I would like to ask all of
match
you
more
to
of
have a
our
closer
models
look and we will explain
market.
to you. Thank you very much. Now please follow me.
We have many
这样可以操
different
作，然后每一
accessories
步都解
for
释给
your
我听。
operation.
Okay, now please look at on this
So-
screen.
Okay, go back to my question. Johnny,
Yes.
how much would it take
So the first
If we
step,
want to
we would like
change
to start the
different cars
procedure.
with different coolants?
It's around 2 to
你要不停地说话。
Okay.
Okay, so
That's
now
fast.
let's look at this.
测试木盖板是否正常工作。
So the first step is to
Let's
test
use
whether
a
it is
standard
operation.
adapter to mix the
Yeah.
most oil here.
Now it comes into the procedure.
选择
And this is the handle where we
This is a time for you
Comfortable?
to select the right car models. We have the database here and
we
so many
design
different car models. Try to find the right
this
one.
toolbar for convenient operation for our engineer.
So we
convenient
find the right
operation.
car models. This one
And
is
this is a very
Audi
clear
Q7.
label in the transparent
And
tank.
confirm.
We can easily
Tap on confirm, and then we comes into the next
No,
step.
so here in the red it
Here
says new.
we have the
which could
original
be for the
data.
new
This
fluid.
is the factory default data of this
Oh, the
car
black
model.
one for the oil fluid, right?
Yes.
Okay, very clear.
Now it comes to the measurement.
首先要把方向
The
盘
first step it is
we
that we
also
have
have
to
the-
fix the steer.
Have the correction resistant
Now,
wheel here.
please follow every step of our
know the
engineer.
The coolant
It is
have
very easy to operate.
strong correction.
是推车动作。
Now we have to move the car. Please have a closer look.
This is the trick, two trick,
过来把胶垫取。
So,
and we
here.
have the optionals.
So now we start to
And we have
move
the optional
this
circulations
vehicle. Follow the
to ensure
move of our
the
engineer.
fullest exchange
yeah.
the
So
coolant.
please come here.
And we can see behind is the air.
So, okay. Now we have to start that. Move.
And the switching valve.
So you see that we can operate on this interface. It's very easy to
small
understand
specific-
with a lot of different
Introduce
figures
the
here.
all use guy here.
And these numbers are
So-
those ones you need to adjust it.
Yeah,
All the data you need to adjust it.
very
are
good
already
introduction no, of the
displayed here.
details of this.
And the operator,
product that
when they
we
operate on
introduced
this
here
equipment,
today.
they will just follow all the instructions, which are very clear on this interface.
And how about let's check again all the product.
And
we
this also
introduced
has
to
automatic
all you
tracking
this
system.
living streaming.
It can
Yeah,
auto check
that's a good idea.
for the cars
Yeah.
to go up or down. So now let's see how we are operation. See, our engineers tapping the button and then we lift the car.
The nitrogen inflator.
Okay, now
Yes, this is the
we would like
oil
to show
pump.
you how we can control
oil gun
all
and the
this
oil pump.
control console
Yeah.
so that the car will move up and down. Very
This
easy.
is the oil.
Okay,
This
let's
is oil
show you
extractor.
once again because this is a very important feature.
It's our AC machine.
Okay, now it's time for us to operate that once again.
This is our brake bleeder.
Okay, start. And then
This is our ATF exchange
press the
machine.
button. Very easy. See, the car has been lifted
Systems
to a
exchange
certain
machine.
height.
So today we
Very
introduce
smoothly,
all our
very
products
stable.
to
This
all
is one of the
you
most reliable machines we
Remember
have
about
in our factory.
promotions, right? We are still on time.
Okay.
Yes. We are
When
doing
the
the
car
big
lift is
promotion
moving
right
up,
now.
and
Ozone
those
generators,
cameras are
buy
tracking
one, get one free.
automatically, and they
And
will also move
The
up automatically as well.
Infectants spirit machine KL333
See, now
is
we are
buy
descending.
our others model 2 buy 2 get 1.
Okay, now we move
hours
to the next part.
infectant spirit.
And if I don't remember
Here,
wrong,
follow
we
the
also have a
interface.
promotion on this big guy, no? It's buy
Okay, now
15?
Look at here.
Yes, this one buy
Tap here.
15 get 1 free. The
Now we
basic
come to the
series
inspecting the tire pressure.
20 series is buy 10 get 1 free.
Okay.
Now we
Yep.
have to
Thank you so
test
much for
the
watching,
steering.
and we're here to help you
转角盘。
for any of your needs. Thank you,
And
Johnny.
Also here,
Thank
the
you.
visual 3D wheel alignment. These are all the operation
you.
procedures. So when you get this equipment from us, because the interface has already shown you almost all the instructions, so it's very easy to follow. You can save a lot of time on training your people. Okay, now we finish the introduction of this wheel alignment. We would like to see a great partner of this wheel alignment. The lift. Because here we have ultra thin feeder lift, which is a great partner of wheel alignment. And the feature of this is the ditch wheel. You don't need to do any change work. So you don't need to do the change work on any time. So that is very useful for all kinds of different shops. You can teach all the surface around construction of almost all kinds of structures. So starting this workshop, especially for the mid and end users, because when they want to do the installation work or the operation work on the ground, that really
Bueno,
takes
Isabela,
much work,
y
right?
te iba a hacer otra
Especially for those
pregunta.
floor that
¿Tienes
has already been decorated.
máquinas para alinear la
So
rueda, es
now
decir,
you
alineadoras de
can have
rueda?
a closer look of this
Alineación,
ultra
tenemos,
Sí.
tenemos una máquina de
The
alineación
minimum
muy
height
inteligente.
is only
A ver,
200
Es esta de aquí.
millimeters.
aquí
And now we
está.
can descend
Sí,
this machine for you to have a
se
closer
ve,
look.
se ve completo.
So this height,
Este y este.
200
Vale, pero una cosa te iba a decir. Esta máquina de alineación es móvil.
Almost all kinds of different car
Sí,
models.
puede
se puede
Especially for
mover
those
con los
low
ruedas.
chassis.
Entonces no necesita entrar.
Okay, so we will wait
se puede mover
slowly
a cualquier
for this
lugar.
Pero
lift
luego
to
cada vez que
descend
se mueve
to
no hay
the
que
ground.
calibrarla.
No, ese es lo que quiero decir. Ese es ventaja
See
de
here?
esta máquina.
máquina. Ah,
no,
vale,
no hace falta
On this ground now,
instalar otra
this is
vez
only
y o
200
no hace
millimeters,
falta
really
calibrar
ultra thin.
otra vez.
Ah,
muy
vale, vale, vale.
inteligente,
Oh, muy
por
bien.
eso muy inteligente.
Vale, 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 vale,
The
vale.
biggest
Ok.
characteristic
A ver,
which attracts
llamamos
a lot of customers
los técnicos
is
para ver
that
cómo
it
Vale,
is
vale,
opera,
vale,
cómo
demostración.
for the wheel alignment. The reason for
Vale.
that,
inteligente.
I will
Vale,
share
vale,
with
de
you.
acuerdo.
OK，
Venga.
我们
First of
工程师来
all,
看一
let's
下
see here.
我们这个机器是
Okay,
怎样
so
的。
this is adjustable cover.
Vale, ese es ahí tiene el ordenador.
Okay, so now I would like to
Sí,
ask the engineer to
ordenador,
show you for us.
pantalla muy
Oh, this is the
claro,
turntable
se
here.
puede ver.
vale,
Have a
perdón.
closer look.
Vale,
The
entonces aquí
turntable
vemos.
is
Vale, ahí están
to
los,
work together with the operation of
reflectantes,
wheel
vale.
alignment. And they can
vale,
reduce
vale.
the
Está
operation of the
moviendo
wheels.
las cámaras.
Vale.
So,
Entonces
okay,
se
now
puede,
let's look at on the
se
back
puede
or
mover
the rear
para
part of the car.
buscar.
So here,
A ver,
okay, we have
Sí,
a
ahora mira,
side
está
slip. I will
moviendo.
ask our engineer to
está
show it to you.
moviendo automático.
The side slip.
Solamente controlar con este botón.
Vale.
So this is also work together with the wheel alignment. So we'll cooperating with the head of the D40B, so that can ensure high accuracy of
A
our
ver, la
measurement
cámara
data.
está buscando.
It can really help you to get your customer and win the customer.
Vale.
And that is the
Dices
best
las
helper to the wear alignment.
Ok. Sí, ese
And
es
also
el
the best helper
espectáculo.
in your workshop.
Sí,
Now,
muy
let's
inteligente.
go back to their
Vale, ahora
main
que está aquí, me está
characteristics,
pensando.
especially for the customers in the
ver.
Europe. So we know that safety it is the biggest concern for these customers. For the D40B, it can do a lot of things. So now I would like to ask our engineer
Ahora
to show
entramos
us the
en el
maximum
software.
height.
Vale.
Now we strictly control
a ver,
the height.
aquí, por
and
aquí
the
más
maximum
claro.
height can be 1,700 millimeters.
Para
Ah,
elegir
la
los tipos
marca.
de... Porque ahora está eligiendo
Now let's wait.
tipos de auto.
And have
Vale.
a closer
Sí.
look.
Ahí veo Audi, vale, que veo que tiene BMW.
Okay, the camera will show you
Vale, ahí
the,
tiene las medidas.
the height switch,
Vale.
这是什么？
the high limit switch,
哦，ese es dados. Los
height
dados del
limit
software.
switch.
Vale.
Sí,
So,
se puede
Mr. Fang, could you
actualizar.
please show us where is the height limit switch?
Puede por aquí, más claro. Aquí, puede ver aquí.
So, when this vehicle is lifted to 1,700 millimeter,
固定好。
we will
primero
have this height
esta-
limit
esta
switch
plan,
to
este-
ensure that it will not
manejando.
move up
El
beyond
volante de la
the
rueda.
Sí.
limit, so that we can avoid the damage.
进入推车功能，
Secondly,
Vale, ahí
we
te dice.
also have the
Ese
switch.
el
And then I would
funcionan
like to
para-
ask our engineer to show us about the
necesita,
position. And the camera will give you a
empuje,
very clear look.
empuje.
Vale.
Un poco
Of the
empuje.
secondary limit switch.
Para
So
que
just follow
adecuar.
our engineer.
Vale.
Sí,
Sí.
distancia.
So this is the one for the
vale, ahí te
secondary
dice-
descending.
dice
And the
todas las
main
medidas.
function is
Vale,
that
dice las medidas
when
de
this
este, de
whole
este, de
car
este,
lift has been
y lo de atrás,
lowered
y lo del
to
volante.
300
muy bien.
millimeters,
¿Entiendes?
Sí,
we
sí,
can
sí,
ensure
sí.
that the operators can see that whether there are any obstacles that they need to move away necessary. So that
Es
is
muy
a very
conveniente
important
para
guarantee
reparar.
for safety.
Sí,
Para
sí, sí.
reparar
Sí,
lo
para
que se-
para alinear las ruedas.
Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Fan to show you how
Mantenimiento, sí,
is the
mantenimiento. Vale, de
magnetic
acuerdo. Las
descending
cámaras estas
function.
son buenas. Las cámaras estas que tiene aquí.
Sí, este es muy calidad muy buena.
Vale. Y este
Okay,
es
here
el
is
último
moving
modelo de
slowly,
alineadora que
slowly,
tenéis.
slowly,
Sí,
descending
este es
slowly,
el
slowly,
último,
slowly.
porque
We
más
can see that
nuevo.
is quite
Vale,
stable,
es más nuevo.
and the
Y,
two platforms can
y
move
lo-
synchronously with
especialmente
each
tiene
other.
ese software nosotros ofrecemos gratis para
Ah, el software es
actualizar.
vuestro, es
So
de
let's
desarrollo
pay
propio.
close attention.
Sí, sí.
When it's
No
350
necesito pagarlo
millimeters,
otra
it
vez.
will be alarm.
O sea, si quiero actualizar,
automatic
no
alarm.
es gratis las
So see,
actualizaciones.
you will hear the alarm.
Vale, si
Sí.
quiero
This is the
actualizarlo,
function
no
of
pasa
the
nada. Yo llamo al
automatic
servicio
alarm.
técnico y ellos me dicen cómo
Okay,
actualizarlo.
just
Sí,
stop.
sí.
Vale.
Entonces este
And
es
our
un
safety
muy,
valve is
muy
also a
bueno
must,
servicio
which has been equipped on every
de
type
nosotros.
of our
Vale,
equipment.
de acuerdo.
Safety
Vale,
valve
este imagino que también tiene
The function of
certificación
the
de
safety
Europa,
valve
certificación CE.
is to
Sí.
ensure
Ese
that
modelo
after
con
the-
todos, con los
the
reflectores y
speed
todo,
of
y
the descending
o sea,
can
se
be very
puede
slow
comprar en Europa
and
sin
ensure
problema.
that
Sí,
all the
y,
operators'
tenemos patente
safety.
con este
So when
diseño.
people are working
patentado
under
vuestro,
or
o sea, todo el
beneath this
diseño y
vehicle,
todo es
we can
vuestra
ensure
patente.
their safety.
Ah, muy bien, muy bien.
Vamos a
This
ver
is the safety valve.
trabajar con
Highly
este
security.
elevador.
So
Ah, es
now
verdad, porque este
I would
elevador
like
no me lo has
to show
enseñado.
you the
Sí.
opto
Este es más grande,
electric
¿no? Este es el-
switch. A lot
este
of
es el-
people
vale,
don't
este es
know
para alinear
what
las
are they
ruedas.
for.
Sí,
So I would
este
like to
elevador
ask you
especialmente para
show
para
us where is the
trabajar con
opto
alineación.
electric
Vale.
A
switch.
ver,
Sí,
So
tiene aquí
after
las-
the
las
car
marcas,
lifted
sí,
to a
las
certain
medidas.
height, our
Plato,
engineer will show us.
Giratorio, sí, que puede,
So
que puede
during
alinearse.
se
the
puede, sí,
moving
se,
up
se
puede
puede
mover.
cambiar ese
See here,
Ah,
with the
posición.
control
Sí, la posición
of
para
the
para alinearlo.
optoelectric. Once
Vale,
we
muy
found out
bien,
these
vale,
two
de
things
acuerdo.
are not moving
Aquí,
synchronously
para,
or are not
evitar
on the
choque.
same leveling.
Para que el coche no vaya para adelante.
So
Vale, para que no
this
se
one
desplace.
will
Sí,
ensure
más
the
seguro,
safety.
sí,
So
sí,
please
sí,
come
vale.
here to
Y la
take a
capacidad
closer
de
look
este
of the
elevador,
optoelectric
4 toneladas.
switch.
Sí, 4.000 kilos. Ahí,
Sí.
Yeah.
ahí
Here.
viene, ¿vale? Una pregunta
Okay,
te iba a
now
hacer.
we would like to
Este
give you a
elevador,
demo.
¿cuánto
This is
sube?
an infrared
Se puede
sensor.
subir
puede
So
hasta
if you put
1700
something as an
No, no, no.
obstacle,
Sí, ¿cuánto
and that
sube?
the
¿Cuánto
sensor
sube?
could not feel the
1700.
infrared.
más
will
alto,
Sí, más alto.
la altura
You
límite
have already
Sí,
had
aquí lo límite.
se
That's
puede
very
subir
clearly, right?
hasta 1000
Okay, lastly, there's
1700
another very important
milímetros.
feature.
Vale, 1 metro con
Let's see
70.
Sí,
the safety
ahora
lock.
vamos a ver
So here,
cómo
this one?
sube.
Yeah.
Vale.
So what is the
Sí, ahí veo que
function
tiene
of the
el
safety
cilindro
lock?
grande.
This one
Y
it
y
is
eso
also
de
one
ahí
of the
que
core
es.
parts of the
Ese no es
safety
cilindro.
and security
Sí,
of the whole
aquí-
vehicle.
aquí
With
tiene
this one, we
cilindro
can
y
fix
aquí
or
tiene,
lock the
dos.
equipment at any position.
Aquí
See
tiene dos.
how we are operating them.
Dos
reglas.
reglas, sí, dos
Every
reglas
equipment
para
have
que
these double
que tal,
teeth jaws. I would like to
que tal-
ask our
Para que
engineer to show
seguro.
you
Sí.
where
Vale,
are the
para que se quede
jaws.
seguro.
So it's here,
Vale, ahí tiene,
which
eso
can
es un gato.
ensure that
Sí,
Tiene un
ese,
gato
our
dentro.
people are
Tiene,
operating
tiene
that.
dos.
It can ensure a very stable
ese
stop
tiene,
and quite
se puede
reliable.
usar
So
uno
you
o
don't need to
también
worry
se
about the
puede
safety
usar con
anymore.
dos.
So this is
Tenemos
the
tres
introduction
tipos
of that.
de
Thank you
ese
very
gatos.
much for your
De ese
watching.
gato.
Sí,
Vale.
se puede trabajar con electricidad.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters.
Compresor de aire.
Sí,
Compresor de
sí.
aire, vale.
Entonces,
Neumático. Vale.
y
It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment.
ese gato,
D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configurations. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack.
Tenemos otro tipo.
Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters.
Manual.
Se opera
Manualmente.
manual.
Pero este solo 2.000 kilos.
Now lift
Ese
the
de ahí,
vehicle
3.000,
with
y
the
este 2.000.
electric rolling
2000
jack.
también, ese, 3000.
Vale.
3000, 2000.
Y
sí.
estos,
Se opera por mano.
Let us check the 3D wheel
Una
alignment.
pregunta te iba a hacer.
It's the
¿Y
best
estos
couple
gatos
for
vienen
wheel alignment lift.
¿Con el elevador?
No, ese es para
It has high accurate and it is very stable
okay.
and
Sí,
no
sí.
perform calibration is needed at any
No
time.
viene con la máquina.
The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time.
Vale.
Ajá. Sí, a ver,
Vale.
se puede mover.
Vale, sí, este se mueve para la alineación.
Sí.
Y ahí tiene los raíles, los gatos.
Roll the
Viene con
vehicle to
dos raíles, ¿no?
complete
Que se
the
pueden mover.
compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Tiene ese camino del tren.
Sí, bueno, sí, lo de... No, bueno, el camino del gato, sí, que es como lo del tren. Vale.
sí.
Sí, o sea, viene por aquí el gato, ¿vale?
Ajá.
¿Ok?
Sí, además,
Se pueden mover de aquí para allá y de...
además tenemos este sensor.
Vale.
Sensor, a ver, se puede
Okay. Safety.
¿Para
safety,
qué?
para
safety.
quedar
El
el
nivel.
nivel.
Ah, vale, para quedar el
D40B
nivel.
is
Para
definitely
que
the
quedar
best
en,
choice
en
for
un
any mid or
nivel
larger
mismo.
sized.
Vale,
of
las dos
the
plataformas,
repair
¿no?
shops.
Que queden al mismo
One
nivel.
machine for
Ah,
multiple
sí.
uses.
Vale, de acuerdo.
It can ensure
Vale, de
that is
acuerdo.
of the
Con
inspections
la
and
luz,
of the
Vale.
con el
all
sensor.
kind of
Con
different
el sensor,
functions.
sí,
So the
vale.
Y
camera
también
can
tiene
move with
luz,
us.
a ver.
Vale, sí, sí,
So
veo los raíles
for
por aquí. Están
D40B,
aquí.
it can work
Vale, muy
together
bien.
with
Sí,
the
sí.
rolling jack.
Y este
So
tiene,
now
tiene
we're
este también tiene
moving to the rolling
certificación
jack.
europea, ¿no?
So here we have two
También
rolling
tiene
jacks,
seguro, sí que
the secondary
el
rolling
arma
jacks. And we
seguro
will ask our
recientado.
engineer to operate on the
sí.
rolling jack, so we have a more
Co-
clear
那个
understanding.
关电了，
Tiene seguro de
So,
como los otros que
positioning,
hemos visto.
And then moving up,
sí,
Vale.
también.
moving
con la
very
luz trabajando.
convenient.
Vale, aquí debajo.
Está operando,
So
a ver.
here, these rolling jack can provide our users with the services of their
Está
movement of the tire.
moviendo.
Sí, para arriba, para que luego baje.
So
Vale,
let's
aquí
follow
vemos cómo baja.
our engineer. Okay, here, look at here. This is a function of our vehicle, of our rolling jack.
Sensor para que tal.
Now,
para que
moving
tal
to the
en
front.
un nivel
Let's see.
mismo.
Here,
Entonces es muy seguro.
With the two rolling jack,
Vale.
how will
Otro
it work
seguro
on
es
this equipment?
la alarma.
Vale, y ahora
Here,
suena.
this one is
Alarma
electrical
está
control.
sonando
And
para que
also,
Si no te pilles los
on the
pies.
rear
Vale,
side,
de
we
acuerdo.
also have one
Muy
is
bien,
manual
vale, pues.
control.
ese es estrella
I
de
would like to ask
nuestros
our
productos,
engineer
de
to use the
nuestro
manual
elevador
control
de
secondary
tijera.
rolling jack, and you will have
Vale, de
idea
acuerdo, está muy
how
bien.
it is used.
Está muy bien, me gusta mucho.
¿Lo viste?
manually
¿Lo viste
controlled.
este tipo?
Este tipo así con los raíles y
Here.
el gato y ese, nunca lo había visto. Es la primera vez
This
que lo
manually
veo.
controlled
Sí, muchos clientes
secondary
dicen
rolling
que
jack is really quite
en su
convenient.
país tiene
Because they can
más o
buy it
menos
back and
el
Parecido.
install by
estilo como
themselves.
ese parecido.
Pero con los dos raíles, con esto de aquí, que
Okay.
sube, que se mueve, eso
These
no,
are
no
the
lo había
main
visto.
functions of
Está muy
D40B.
bien.
Sí,
Our
y también
D40B
a los
has
clientes dicen que no
provided
han
with
visto
great
tan
performance,
delgada.
which can be
Ajá, vale, sí,
suitable
sí.
for
No,
all
es
types of vehicles.
compacto.
And
Sí,
high
para
precision,
ahorrar
high
el
safety,
espacio
and
de auto
definitely
de
suitable
taller.
for
Vale,
your
vale.
workshop.
Muy bien.
That's the choice. Don't miss
Está muy
it.
bien.
Y
Thank you very much for watching.
para
If
para
you
subir
really
auto
want to
y,
learn
y
more
cuando
about our
subiendo
products, please click
se
on
puede
our product list on
cuando
the
no
left
trabaja
side,
se
and
puede
then
Se
you
puede
can
doblar,
come
vale,
sí,
to
se puede
talk with our
guardar.
sales
y
representative
para
with a
pasar
one-to-one
los-
La
chat.
gente. Sí,
Thank
sí,
you
sí.
very much.
Vale,
Thank
muy
you.
bien, muy bien.
está bien con
Sí.
este modelos.
Sí, está muy bien.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180
y tiene
millimeters.
muchas funciones nuevos.
Vale.
Es nuestro producto estrella.
It is
Vale, muy bien.
equipped with abrasion-resistant
entonces
slip
vamos a ver
plates
más
for
detalle con
four-wheel
el video.
alignment.
Con un vídeo. Vale,
D40B
Video.
is a CE certificated lift. Let's see
D40B
some
is an
safety points of
above-ground
it.
alignment lift
It has
with a
safety
minimum
descending
height of
stop
100
and height
and
limit
80
switch.
millimeters.
The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for
equipped
various
with
abrasion-resistant
The
slip
photoelectric
plate
switch
for
can
four-wheel
monitor
alignment.
the
level of platforms.
D40B
LED
is
is
available.
CE certificated
Rolling jacks
lift.
is optional.
Let's see
Manual
some safety
control,
points of
pneumatic
it.
control,
It has
and
safety
electric
descending
control
stop
available.
and height limit
This is
switch.
the electric
The
rolling
following
jack.
are the optional configuration. Turntable,
Now you can
the
see the
position
manual
is adjustable
rolling jack
and can be
controlled
suitable
by a
for
manual
various
hydraulic
vehicles.
pump.
The length of the
photoelectric
telescopic
switch
arm
monitor
is
the
maximum
level of platforms. LED light is
1,600
available.
millimeters.
Rolling
The height of
jacks
the
is
adjustable
optional.
lifting
Manual
tray
control,
is 30 to
pneumatic
65
control,
millimeters.
and electric control available.
This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling with the electric controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift.
It has high accurate
Now
and
lift
it
the
is
vehicle
very
with
stable
the electric
and no
rolling
perform
jack.
calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread
Let us
measurement
check the
in a
3D
shorter
wheel
time. Alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate and it
Roll
is
the
very
vehicle
stable
to complete
and no
the compensation
calibration
quickly to
is
get
needed
the measurement
at any
data
time in 2 minutes. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Bueno, Isabela, te iba a comentar, tengo unos clientes que están buscando grúas para cambiar las baterías de los coches eléctricos, porque son muy pesadas.
Un elevador para,
Sí, para la batería.
sacar batería de los coches.
Eléctricos,
Batería. Sí, tenemos.
tenemos, vale, sí.
Porque nosotros sabemos que en unos países, hay muchos países que ahora está populando los coches con batería.
Sí, cada vez más.
Para proteger el ambiente
El medio ambiente. Ahora cada vez más países que requieren eso, sí, es verdad, es muy necesario.
Sí. A ver, nosotros tenemos este modelo.
Sí, vale.
Sí.
Este modelo, muy
Sí,
bien.
se puede mover.
Se puede, vale, muy con las ruedas.
Sí, se puede mover. Sí.
Vale, perfecto. Vale, ¿y qué te iba a decir? Este modelo es, imagino que es nuevo, ¿no? Porque antes no hacíais grúas para batería.
Sí, antes no hay, porque antes no hay tantos coches con
Eléctricos.
Sí.
Vale, de acuerdo, muy bien. ¿Y qué te iba a decir? Primero es, ¿qué altura tiene? ¿Qué altura puede alcanzar la plataforma?
Después vamos a mostrar por nuestro técnico.
Vale.
Primero vamos a ver este goma.
Vale, la goma, sí.
Para encima, porque encima es batería.
La batería,
Entonces, este para que proteger.
Sí, porque la batería puede ser delicada. Vale, de acuerdo. Y esta plataforma se mueve, ¿no? Esta plataforma esto se mueve.
Sí, después vamos a mostrar eso.
Vale.
Y a ver, aquí se puede poner manos para sacar.
Vale, para mover la batería por debajo.
Sí, así.
Vale. Mira, muy buena idea. Muy buena idea, vale. ¿Y esto qué es? ¿Esto es control, no?
Sí, es el botón. Vamos a llamar
Vale. Vale, no vas a enseñar cómo funciona, ¿no?
Sí.
Vale, muy bien.
A ver cómo se funciona. Se puede mover con las ruedas.
Vale, tiene frenos también, ¿no? La rueda tiene frenos para que no se mueva.
Los árboles
Tiene frenos.
para ver cómo
Sí, quiero ver cómo sube.
se me hacen chistando.
Vale. Mira, se moto. Vale, tiene arriba y para abajo. Muy bien.
A ver, que total. A ver cuánto altura se puede subir.
Sí,
Sí, 1800 milímetros.
sí. Vale, ahora está bajando. Vale, sí, o sea que como yo de alto, sí, vale, suficiente. Eso para trabajar.
Hola,
bienvenidos
Vale, ¿y
a
cuánto
nuestro
peso
directo.
aguanta?
¿Cómo?
¿Cuánto peso aguanta? ¿Cuánto peso se puede
¿Cuánto?
poner?
Welcome to our
¿Cuánto
live
pesos
streaming.
este.
mil.
Welcome
Mil
to
kilos.
our live
Mil.
streaming.
1000.
Welcome to our live
Sí,
streaming.
tiene que tener la...
9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
¿Esto tenéis la certificación de Europa?
Sí, a
para
ver.
este producto?
A ver.
Porque este es un producto nuevo, entonces a veces
Sí,
mis clientes tienen miedo de si tiene certificación, no tiene certificación.
no se preocupe,
Vale.
ya hemos pasado parte de
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You
Ah, de
are old
TV.
friends of
Ah,
this group.
vale, muy bien.
Today
muy
we are
bien.
here for
Vale,
the
sí viene con su
Compartir
matrícula,
live
con
streaming.
todo, aquí todas las
My name is Jacqueline,
certificaciones.
and this is
Muy
my
bien,
colleague
vale. ¿Y esto qué es?
Sergio.
¿Esto es para ver el motor? ¿Esto de aquí?
Hi everyone.
Este de aquí, este es como...
Okay, welcome
Ese-
to come to
ah,
this
ese es
Canton
una
Fair
caja
live
para
show.
guardar.
Right now we are in the
Bueno,
Jiangsu
lo abre ahí.
Canton
Ah, bueno, sí,
factory.
se abre así.
This is a very
para
big
guardar
workshop.
los
Ah, bueno,
And
sí, como un
herramientas.
armario y tiene,
so
tiene el motor
products
ahí.
to show you.
sí.
Tiene que, también se
So,
puede
Sergio,
acceder al motor desde
As
aquí
we know that
dentro.
the team
Vale,
has
muy bien,
really
muy bien,
made
está muy
much
chulo, muy
efforts for
bien.
today's live
Vale.
show.
De
And
acuerdo.
the sales team
Y esto
are
es
quite
a eso, va
generous
tipo
this
por
time.
debajo.
They have
Sí,
prepared for you
después
so many
puedes
different gifts and
ver
promotions.
cómo
That's quite special, right?
¿Cómo se mueve?
Sí.
Today we will have 3
Vale,
hours
este se
of
mueve
show
para
where we
ajustar.
introduce
Vale,
you
de acuerdo.
Sí,
G
vamos
series.
a ver cómo,
Here we have the G
cómo
series, and
¿Cómo lo
after
hace?
that, we will introduce
Sí,
you
vale, pero
to
¿va a sacar la batería o no?
256
No.
and
no, para
Vale.
mostrar cómo se
573.
opera.
And you have
Vale,
my
¿cómo la
time.
mete debajo del
Remember that
coche?
you can
¿no?
turn
Ahí
over
eso,
stuff
vale,
to
muy bien.
1 to
Vale, ¿cómo la
1
mueve de
just
ahí a
move.
ahí? Ah, vale.
Yes,
我
sure.
们看一
So
下
just
它
check
怎么
on
样
your，
我们
screen,
要
you
把
will
这个
find
移到
that
那边
there's
去
a
看一
list
下
on the
它
right
怎样。
side, and then you just go in,
Vale.
go into the instant
A ver.
messenger. If you have any
Primero,
questions or you are interested
bájalo.
in any products or want any
Vale,
special
este es
promotions, just talk with
UDP5,
our
¿no?
sales
Este es
representatives.
UDP5.
So today, at the first combo, we will
Vale, pues
show
sí, esto es
everyone.
muy,
Yes,
esto es muy
our first
conveniente.
combo we are going to
Sí.
start with
Porque así podemos cambiar la
G22.
batería.
And we are going to explain you today why G22 is so
está bien.
special, because I think it's very
Vale,
improved
entonces-
a lot of things that we improve with this machine. The
Nece-
first thing that we need to that we want
Se
to
tiene
show us
que-
is light. This tire changer
Se tiene
is
que
special
Ese
for
con
large
cables,
shops that need
Para
to,
mover.
that need to
Así.
change the low profile wheels.
Vale, aquí,
Yes,
entre dos.
just like my friend Sergio has just mentioned.
Pero una persona
G22
también puede
is a
moverlo,
really
¿no?
Sí,
amazing
también
machine.
puede.
And there are a lot
Vale.
of important factors of this machine. So we know that there are so many different it's the right
debajo
suggestions, and that is
de-
the special system
debajo
of
del coche.
Yes, this
Vale.
special,
Y
this
ahora sí,
assist
vale, nos va a
arm
decir.
is
table is 镜头可以摇到这边来，摇一下。
228, and this turntable is very easy to use with the pedals here, and also here we can see the gear that before I mentioned. Like you say, with this
Okay,
gear
so-
we can save 50% of energy. This is also can reduce a lot of money on energy for these countries when the electricity has a high cost, right?
Oh yes, right, because that is a very good table. I would like to tell you that not operating on this turntable, they here. All right. For
yes.
example, like this pressing shovel.
Yes, this
So-
pressing shovel, when we want to separate the wheel from the rim, we can use this. With this pressing shovel, is very strong. It's 3,000 kilograms strong of pressure. This is make it easier for remove when we want to remove when we want to separate the wheel from the rim.
Yes. So do you know usually how much kilogram can they support? 3,000 kg is really very big,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
But how about the usual type we can find in the market?
For sure. Also, I
That
was-
is 2,500 kg, right? So 3,000 kg is already much bigger. So we offer you better choices on this machine.
Yes, another function that we want to mention is, for example, about this arm. This arm can move from behind to up.
Yeah,
For
this is a tilting arm.
Yes. For example, when this is very good because, for example, when our technician is gonna
Encantados, vamos a ver nuestro producto, lo que vendemos
Here.
más.
You can see,
La
in this
serie-
way,
serie
when this
U,
arm is
ese
go
serie U.
down,
Sí,
we
este
can
máquina
work with
es muy
the
profesional.
wheel,
Tiene
and we are not gonna damage
certificación
the machine.
Yeah, just like
Alemania.
we have already stressed on,
Si usted
the
conoce
leveless
la
technology has
certificación
already
de Alemania,
create a protection for the rings.
Yes, as you can see that our technician doesn't make a lot of effort to change the wheel.
Yes.
We can save a lot of time and a lot of money because, and also we can omit a lot of accidents that in the garage happen. Okay, especially when we need to change the
Por
wheel.
separado.
Sí, por
Vale.
separado.
Vale.
¿Qué tiene este?
¿Qué se puede comprar?
See,
¿Cuál es
that is
lo
really
mínimo
great.
que se puede
So,
comprar?
do we miss any
Este
other
viene
detailed
con la
design
máquina,
in this great
este
machine?
no.
So something
also
else
we
we would
miss-
like to show the audiences?
I want
Y este
to
también, el que hemos visto antes,
I want to introduce also the
También.
design of
Okay.
this.
Este
It's
es opcional.
very strong.
O sea,
Yeah,
la
this
máquina
one.
This
simple,
design
la
is
más
very
simple, o sea,
strong.
el
It's very
modelo más
thick,
simple vendría
and
con
also
esto
when it's
y
very
esta parte de la
stable.
máquina.
Also you
Sí,
can put it
vale.
in the ground,
Este
and this is
parte
gonna
de la
assure
sí.
you that the machine is not
Primero,
gonna
este
move.
máquina
So, and it's gonna have
trabajar
very
con
100% safe.
aplazo de,
Yes, and this is a very
atrás
special
y
trapezoid
adelante.
Ah, vale,
design
como el otro,
that
¿no?
is
Sí,
quite
vale, como el otro.
important.
Ah, muy
And then
bien.
We can ensure a correct
bien, sí,
jaws
sí, sí.
location as well.
Automático.
And just like we have
bien, muy
just
bien.
show
Este
you
me
that
gusta
this one
mucho
can
este-
support the 3000
esta
kg,
función.
and also
Vale.
the
También
position
aquí
can be
al lado
adjustable
tiene
as well.
este,
Okay,
Yes.
so how about this one?
La palanca,
This
sí,
is a
que se
tire
mete
rolling
por- se
frame.
mete por
Yes.
dentro.
Is that a
Vale.
standard accessory
This is
for
maybe
this one?
is not a very fancy accessory, but it's
vale,
very
vale, sí, sí,
useful.
这个踏板是做什么？
Because, for example, before when we use
Yeah, 我们看看这个踏板。Yes, just look at our engineer
Debajo perfil y que
working
saltara.
on the
Vale,
tire
no se
rolling
raye.
So,
frame.
no need to make any
Vale, ahora va a
effort.
mirar
Only
abajo.
rolling a little bit is enough just for make for separate the wheel from the rim.
A ver,
So
¿cómo
do you-
funciona?
Do you know that is that a
Oh,
standard
vale, mete la
accessory
uña.
for G22?
Ah, y ahora
No,
él
this is
solo-
not a standard accessory,
Y con el plato
but
giratorio.
it's
Ah, muy
very
bien.
useful and also is very convenient.
Yes, it's optional. But today, just for
Vale, y
Canton
ahora la
Fair, I would like to
vas a
let you
sacarla.
know that our
Vale,
sales
vale,
team
vale,
are
vale.
so
Muy bien, muy
generous.
bien.
If you order our products,
Para sacarla.
this one,
Vale,
you
y
have
luego
the
esto es
chance to
para-
get it for
ok, con
free.
el
This tire
giratorio,
rolling
muy
frame
bien.
can offer you as a
Y
gift.
desde aquí
Yes.
So,
ya
so
sale
do you
sola.
think that is
Perfecto.
our only gift for the
Muy
audience?
bien.
No, today also we
Definitely
have
not,
other
right?
promotion, very interesting promotion.
Yes. So what is the next one? Why not just come to this
Vale,
side?
y si tuviera
Yes.
algún
Okay.
problema con la máquina, ¿cómo se abre? ¿Cómo
So what is
se-
this?
Si tuviera,
This is
tuviera
the
que,
air blaster.
para,
Oh, it's a
repararla,
handheld one.
es decir,
Yes.
¿se puede abrir
Yeah.
esto?
So usually the traditional type we will have an air booster with a pressure gauge, right?
Yes, this
But
is the
this one-
traditional one.
Yeah, but this time
Ah, vale, se
we
quita ahí.
have
Vale,
one
vale, vale.
look like the pivotal.
Ok, ok, ok.
Yeah.
Yes. For example, this is much more faster. Before, this is the traditional one,
Yeah,
but
this
also,
one is also very quick.
but this is very fast, especially for this kind of low profile wheels.
Vale, sí, esto es
Okay, and also maybe this is, looks a little bit scary, right? Because looks
Oh,
like
yes.
a pistol.
So is it safe?
This is very safe because
Yeah.
has two triangles here. Okay, in these two triangles, so if I just press one, nothing happens. Or this, nothing happens. If we want to activate the machine, we need
De
to press
28
the two
pulgadas,
at
vale,
the
o sea,
same
es muy
time.
grande, vale,
And also
vale.
this is gonna push the,
Design on this product, start the operation.
yes, for example,